Looking for a ready-to-use lesson plan for preschoolers? Today I'm demonstrating how to teach the butterfly life cycle to toddlers and preschoolers. I'll show you exactly how to explain the 4 stages with a story and rhyme that makes metamorphosis easy to understand. But before moving on to the main video, if you are new on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hello, my little kiddos! How are you all today? Good? I'm so happy to see your smiling faces. You know what? I have something for you. Dun, dun, dun. Do you know what this is? Yes, this is a beautiful butterfly. Have you seen a butterfly in a garden? Yes, they're so colorful. Red, yellow, blue, orange, right? But wait, do you know where a butterfly comes from? No? You don't know? Don't worry. Today, I will tell you the magic of how a butterfly comes into life. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this. This is a green leaf. And on this leaf, there is a tiny egg. Can you see it? Yes, it's sleeping. Shh. Then the egg hatches and a tiny caterpillar comes up. Oh, but this caterpillar is so hungry. He goes munch on the leaf. He eats and eats until, look, he becomes a big fat caterpillar. Now, the fat caterpillar is feeling very sleepy. So he builds a house around himself called a pupa or chrysalis. He stays inside his cozy house for many days. Something magical is happening inside. And then the pupa cracks open. Out comes a wing. And look, it's a butterfly. He flutters his wings and flies away into the sky. So, my little kiddos, this is called the life cycle of a butterfly. First, we have a tiny egg, then the caterpillar, next is the pupa, and finally the butterfly. This butterfly will lay a new egg and whole cycle starts all over again. Now, are you ready for a story about a very hungry caterpillar? Yes. So once there was a tiny egg. When it hatched, out came Bibi, the caterpillar. Bibi was so hungry. She ate through an apple and a big green leaf. She got so big, she had to take a long nap in her pupa. When she woke up, she had wings. She wasn't a crawler anymore. She was a flyer. Yay! We completed our story. Now, let's sing a rhyme together. Egg so small on a leafy green, larva munching growing seen, chrysalis hanging snug and tight, adult butterfly what a sight. Flap, flap up in the sky, adult butterfly flying high. Yay, very good. You all did a very good job. And that is how we turn a complex science lesson into an unforgettable experience for preschoolers by using these bright visuals and props. You can plan activity and ask children to draw or color a butterfly, or you can provide them with the cutouts and ask them to stick them in the correct order of a butterfly life cycle. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.